Keep watching and I will share with you how to make best Ghormeh Sabzi with the original and authentic taste. Something that no one ever has told you before. Start by filling a bowl with water and soaking the dry herbs for 10 to 15 minutes in the water. After this time, squeeze the herbs out of the water and remove them in a separate bowl. Heat the oil in a pan and add the herbs and start frying the herbs. It depends on you how much you want to keep frying your herbs. If you want the color of your Ghormeh Sabzi to be darker, keep frying the herbs to get darker and darker, or fry them for a shorter period of time if you don't want your Ghormeh Sabzi to get in dark color. After frying the herbs, just keep the herbs aside. To cook the Ghormeh Sabzi, I usually use the pressure cooker. I believe it gets more delicious and prepares faster. But if you do not have it, you can just continue using a normal pot. Heat the oil inside your pot or pressure cooker. Add the diced onion and keep frying until they get golden in color. Then add the meat and start frying the meat. Keep frying the meat until they change in color and all the water evaporates. Then add in turmeric powder and black pepper powder and keep frying for a couple of minutes more. Then add the red kidney beans and mix. I must say it's better to soak your kidney beans in water 1 hour before preparing your Ghormeh Sabzi. Then add 1 liter of water and cover your pot or your pressure cooker and let everything cook for 45 minutes until they get half cooked. If you are using a normal pot, this time could be different and longer. After 45 minutes, check your food if it's half cooked. Then add your dried lime. You can just poke them and create holes in 2 sides of them. Also add your fried herbs inside the pot. Add about 700 milliliters of water inside the pot. Cover it and let it cook for another 30 minutes. If you're using a normal pot, this could be longer. After 30 minutes, Ghormeh Sabzi is completely ready. Add salt at this stage. If you like your Ghormeh Sabzi to be more sour, you can add extra fresh lemon juice to it. And it's ready to serve. There is a pro tip that if you make Ghormeh Sabzi and you keep it in the fridge for 1 day, the next day is gonna taste even more delicious.